Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back with another video. So today, something that's really been bothering me, man. So the heel toe shifter, my first bike had the heel toe shifter, right? So right now I have the up, I have to shift up, and I'm so used to shifting down. And with that toe shifter, after a while with your boots and your shoes, it scuffs your shoes and your boots up, and it's more comfortable to me. Some people love the toe shifter, but me personally, I'm used to the heel shifter. My first Harley had it already on there, so I'm used to it. It's easier for me to just bump down instead of, it's a little more chill for me. But so today we're gonna upgrade that. Definitely gotta have that heel toe shifter, so I went straight to Harley. My first upgrade to the bike, man, like the next day I went to Harley and bought that toe shifter. Gotta have it for me, just my personal preference. But so I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. All right, guys, let's get into it. Straight from Harley, man. We got the heel toe shifter. Kit shift lever heel black. Let's see what we got. I haven't opened it up yet. Got your hardware. So it does come with the instructions too. Here's the shifter. Yes, indeed. Okay. So
it's you that we can't trust. You. This is the new one?
Yes, ma'am.
What's this for? Oh, this is for your picture.
From my video.
Okay. Hey, la.
Let's see. So you're gonna need a 7/16 socket and the hex. CR, this is 3/16. 3/16 and 7/16 should get the job done. Okay, so it's coming straight out. Thought I was gonna have to hold that bottom, that nut at the bottom, but I don't. It's coming straight out. So should make it a breeze. Let me get my hardware out real quick. So you got the rubber for the shifter. You got the spacer. They gave you an extra screw and the lock nut. Let's see. Got it off. Kind of hard to get off for some reason. I don't know why, but it took me a little second to get it off of there, man. Even though I loosened the nut up, well, it already loosened up. So we'll put the. Alright guys, my first time, y'all gotta bear with me, man. I'm trying to figure it out, but I think we got it going here. I think we got it going. Let's see. Put my nut on. So you got a lock nut washer at the bottom. Go ahead and put both of those in. So this goes on the outside. So yeah, we had it right, guys. I'm like, dang, where you put that on there? I didn't even freaking. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it down there. Put it in, get it started. All right, we got the lock nut wash on. Just got to tighten these two down. Tighten this down. I'm about to sit on it and see where we are right now. Let's see. All right, so they say like 2 inches apart, so I think we good. Might need to bring that front up. I need to bring that toe up a little bit though. I need to bring that toe up a little bit more. won't be using that toe shift anyway, so I'm just gonna leave it. But you just get the adjustments how you want them. That toe shift, I'm not gonna use it anymore. I won't be using it again, so it's okay where it is. But you might have to make some adjustments. So if you plan on using that toe shifter still, you're gonna have to make some adjustments, raise it up or down, however to your liking, however you want it. But you know what, guys, I'm about to go ahead and adjust it right now, because I won't have to take it back off again. So I'm about to adjust it right now real quick. Try to bring that toe shifter up just a tad bit. Yeah, you definitely. I don't have any right now, but you probably want to put some Loctite on it. I'm sure. Probably want to put Loctite on those. So let's see, guys. We're about to tighten this bad boy down. I'm gonna take it for a little test run. Let's see what we have, but the job is done. We have the heel toe shifter on here. Just gotta tighten everything down, and we will be good to go. I'm just holding that nut with my hand. Eventually, when it gets tight, you don't even have to hold it anymore. You just hold it just to get it started, get it going, and that's it. Got that time now. Let's see. Find out what size. Okay, got him. Got him. Alright, guys, that's it. We got it done. Heel shifter is installed.